Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm so excited to do an unboxing of the Wax Seal Club box. I can't wait to show this to you. My name is Betsy Goodman. I'm a wax seal and lettering artist, and the Wax Seal Club is my subscription box. It comes every other month and it's full of wax seal supplies. So let's jump in. Let me show you what's coming in the August box. I am so excited to show you what is coming in this August box. So there's two things here that I'm just going to move aside for just a minute. Every box comes with one unique wax seal stamp, and this is one that I've designed, and it's my first stamp that is 3D. So it's a 3D frame engraving. It's so gorgeous. It's this really pretty oval shape. It's perfect for adding flowers to, or doing little framed artworks or framed photos. But this is the seal. It's so pretty. You can see all that gorgeous detail. And each box comes with a stamp, and then it comes with 3 sealing wax sticks. And the thing that's fun about the wax sticks is that they are voted on by the club members. These are the 3 colors that won. So we've got this gorgeous vellum, which I love using with pressed flowers, so that's going to work great with this frame stamp. This is a brand new blue to the shop. I'm going to call it Heirloom Blue, but it's a little bit more of a red base than the dusty blue. It's super gorgeous. And then of course we have the light green. And so you can see what it looks like when it's pressed. So this is the Heirloom Blue, the light green, so pretty, and the vellum. So those are the 3 colors when it's pressed. And it's just so gorgeous. The first time that you get the box, you also get a handle with it. So it comes out like this. The handle is a universal size, so it fits any wax seal stamp, but it just goes on like this, and you're ready to use your seal. I do have a little bonus. So this bonus is for anyone. If you're an existing subscriber, you're going to get these 2 little bonuses. If you're new and you order this before August 14th, you'll get these items. So this is a little mini flower press. How cute is this? It has a super cute little floral engraving detail here. You can see it has the cardboard and a bunch of blotting paper. It has gold hardware, which is super pretty, but it's the perfect on-the-go travel size flower press that I love so much, so you can press your own flowers to go in your frame seal. The other item that is a bonus item are these 3 crystal clear hot glue sticks. I love using hot glue with seals, especially with these frame seals. They're so much fun. So if you're existing, this is a little thank you for continuing to get the box. If you're new and you want to get these, you need to order by August 14th. The box is going to ship out by the 20th of August. And so it's going to ship out just in a couple weeks. It's coming so soon, but I would love to have you in the club. This box comes out every other month. The box is $23 plus shipping. It's such a great deal, especially considering a stamp like this, 3D, designed by me, and a frame stamp would be about $45. And so that you're getting the whole thing for only $23 is such an amazing deal. So I'd love to have you in the club. If you'd like to join, definitely check out the link in the description below to get all the details. And thank you to all my existing subscribers. I'm so excited to send you this fun box. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you to all my existing subscribers who are continuing to get the box. And if you're interested in joining, make sure to click the link in the description below. I'll see you guys next time.